Hey there, if you want to make Bitget account private, then this video is for you. First, open your Bitget account. Then from here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you'll find your profile icon at the top left corner. Simply tap on your profile icon here. Then tap on this gear icon at the top right corner, and you will find this settings interface. Let me click on it. Not this actually. Here it is. Now at the bottom you'll find hide account, so you can just turn it on to hide your profile from other people's, so your profile won't appear publicly, so that's when your profile will be private to you, and no one can interact with your profile. So you can just enable silent mode. You wish to, then you can tap on enable, so it will enable the silent mode, or you can just set it for later. So I'm going to enable it. So here you can see the hide account is turned on, so restrict people from searching for or following you. So that's how you can just easily make your Bitget account private. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.